Tyler Murphy here with Project Manager Conrad Demix, TSM Roofing. We got a special build we'd like to go over. Conrad, I know you work diligently with these homeowners on this build to give them the lifetime roofing system that they were working for. Why don't you tell us what the customer was looking for and all the products that you put into this?
Yeah, so when I came over here about a month ago to go over the project with them, the big thing for them was they were looking for a roof that was gonna last them a long time. They plan on staying in this house forever. So they wanted high-end materials that they were never gonna have to worry about again. The other big thing was the curb appeal of the house. They wanted to change the look of the house. They had just got the house painted and they wanted a tile that matched it. So we went through the whole system from top to bottom with a new tile color. We did the elevated battens and we also did the Westlake tile seal to really give them a really nice roof.
Yeah, it looks phenomenal. You guys picked out the perfect tile color. A couple of things I want to go over. I'm a big fan of the Westlake tile seal for underlayment projects. Obviously for new tile, it's another great option. Why don't you kind of tell us why that's a good underlayment product and the benefits of it?
Yeah, so this stuff is great here. This is a self-adhering object. So this layer peels off the back here and actually sticks directly to the deck. It's got this polywoven material on top, and as you can tell here, it does not tear. It's a super solid, strong product, and it's got a 30-year warranty, which is awesome.
One thing I like about that is in Arizona, it's hot. It's not like your black asphalt. Crews love working on it. You get a really clean install. Mechanically, or self-seals around mechanical fasteners, so staples that go into the battens, it's gonna seal around it. Great product. I actually have it on my house, so huge fan of this.
Yep, this is great. The other thing we used, which was a really good upgrade, the elevated batten. So this is cool. It's got little pucks here on the bottom compared to your standard batten that sits flush on the deck. This is elevated, so it's a lot more efficient for rain, water to come through underneath. It doesn't bind up and sit on the back of the battens, which cause them to rot. And it's also a lot more efficient in terms of airflow for your house too.
Yeah, another thing that I really like about the elevated batten system, it's also pressure treated lumber, so it's not gonna rot like your standard Doug fir 1x2 furring strip. It's gonna allow that roof to breathe. As other battens sit flush to the deck, it causes a lot of water damming. This is gonna let that water flow directly under these pucks, go out through the bird block weep holes and drain efficiently. It's gonna increase the longevity of the roofing system. That Westlake system is a phenomenal system. And then finally, you guys topped it off with that Westlake tile, the two-tone tile. I know you guys went through a lot of samples, choosing the perfect color, and man, did it turn out phenomenal.
Yeah, we went through about 7 samples, comparing them up to the house, and this was the one we picked, and this was the right one for sure.
Yeah, so just to kind of go over those products again, we got the Westlake tile seal, 30-year warranty, great product. If you're looking for a lifetime roofing system, it's a house you're gonna be in for a long time. Elevated battens, new tile, boost that curb appeal of your home. 40% of your home's curb appeal is the roof, and I can tell you what, this house looks brand new on this street. So great job on this, Conrad. Crew knocked it out of the park. Forklift got some work, so it's definitely some products you want to look into if you got that underlayment project on your mind, or you're looking to boost your full roof system with new tile.